Hello, and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make a request for remission of penalties in TPOS. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the request tile. Here, you'll see multiple request types. Select the waivers tile. Now select request for remission of penalties. Once selected, a set of instructions will appear. Please read these instructions carefully before proceeding. Check the box once you have read and understood. Then click Continue to the next step to proceed to the reference number form. Here, you will need to answer the first question: do you have a reference number? If you choose yes, then your reference number will need to be entered here. If you choose no, then you can proceed to selecting a tax type from the drop-down. Now select the period you want to request for remission of penalties. Once done, click on the Add Reference button. This will pre-populate the data for that tax type and period. Now enter the remission amount you want to request. Now click Continue to next step, Remission Reason. Here you will need to provide the reason for remission from the drop-down. For this example, I'll choose Others as the reason for requesting remission. And in the Explain the reason in detail field, we will type Deregistration of service turnover tax as an example. Now you'll need to attach supporting evidence. Note that the system will prompt you to save the form first before proceeding. To save the form, navigate to the Save button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once your form has been saved, you can now proceed to attaching your supporting evidence. Note that this is a mandatory step to complete before you can proceed. Once the attachment has been uploaded, you can now proceed to the declaration form. Check the box. I declare that the information in this application is true and correct in every detail. There is also an option to add notes if need be. Click Submit to complete the process. A confirmation note appears with the reference number, which will be sent to your email, and it can also be downloaded. Once your forms are processed by FRCS, the confirmation note will be available on your correspondence tile. This brings us to the end of the request for the remission of penalties. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos.